Want to add some fun to your messages? Let's learn how to send stickers in your iPhone messages. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to send stickers in your iPhone messages. So let's get started. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Next, start a new conversation by tapping the Compose button in the top right corner, or simply open an existing conversation from your list of messages. Tap on the plus icon right in front of the text message box. Select the Stickers option. Browse through the available stickers and tap on it. Finally, tap on the Send button and send the sticker. You can keep sending more stickers by repeating the process. And this is how you can send stickers message on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.